logical sense, you are part of the image of God. In other words, you can look at the artist's work and see something of the artist. And so by virtue of the fact that God made us and the rest of creation, there is a fundamental ontological relationship there that no matter what happens, you can never deny. So no matter what you do, you will always be made in the image of God. That will not change. But Irenaeus says, but there's another dimension of being made in the image of God. And he says, it's just not fundamental, it's the likeness of God. He's saying, to what extent is the way that you're leading your life reflecting the image of God to everyone else? To what extent is the way you're leading your life showing God's justice and God's love to everything else? And he says, to the extent that we are destructive of others or of creation, to that extent there is a disfigurement of this imago Dei, of this image of God. So there is both an ontological sense of image of God as well as this likeness sense. And we can lose the likeness. Now, the rest of creation can't do that, because the rest of creation will only ever do that which it is called to do. A carrot will only ever be a carrot. There is no such thing as a rogue carrot. It doesn't exist. But humans, because we have self-reflective consciousness, we can choose to do that other than which God would want us to do. We are the ones who can disfigure this likeness of this image of God. We are the ones who, for some bizarre reason, can see ourselves as separate from the rest of creation. We are the ones who can somehow think that we're the only sacred thing and nothing else is sacred. And therefore, we can get this crazy idea that we can destroy the planet and still survive. So if we can heal these notions, if we can start to see ourselves as part of creation again, if we can start to recognize that this creation is God's creation, God's sacred creation, and we are part of that, then we will start to develop attitudes that are a lot more friendly to each other, to all aspects of God's creation, and also enhance our relationship with God. Thank you very much.